This is a 2018 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited, one of Harley Davidson's premier touring bikes. This bike is an absolute beauty. Great two-tone. The color is Silver Fortune Metallic and Black Tempest Metallic. Just a great two-tone combination. This is another low mileage bike with 4,034 original miles on the odometer. It is equipped with 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, mated to a 6-speed transmission, so it has plenty of power for touring, whatever your load is out on the highway or over the hills. The bike is in like new condition and very nicely accessorized. An 8-inch Klock Werks flared windshield has been added. A lot more profile than the stock, and a lot more wind protection with the flares. Of course, ABS brakes front and rear. It has the Harley Davidson long arm 360-degree adjustable highway pegs with the airflow pegs attached. It also has the airflow shifter pads. Harley Davidson Defiance hand grips have been added to 12-inch custom black handlebars. Gives you a more natural riding position, not too high but not too low. Of course, it's equipped with a 6.5-inch boom stereo, which has Bluetooth, AM, FM weather band, navigation. It can be linked either through a wire or Bluetooth into your iPod or phone for your music. Has cruise control. The seat's in perfect condition. There's no holes, no tears, no cuts. Has the Harley Davidson smart security system. 2 keys, 2 phones. The Tour Pack has the chrome premium luggage rack added, and the long whip antenna has been replaced with a flexible short one. It's a little handier than the long whip, which seems to always slap you in the face when you're trying to walk around the bike. One nice option that's been added to this are the 4-inch chrome Cobra neighbor hater slip-on mufflers. And no, they're not as loud as what the name would make you think. Just a good deep rumble. This is just a great two-tone color. market for a new touring bike, but don't want to throw down $30,000 on a new one, plus a couple $1,000s in accessories, and you don't want to get stuck with all the mystery dealer fees that seem to get added on to a new bike, take a real good look at this 2018 Ultra Limited. For purchase information, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.